Hello, my name is Vibhor Srivastava, and today I am presenting my project Dynamic Resume Builder using Oracle Apex template component plugins. This project is not just like a resume page. I have built a fully structured modular resume system where is sections like skill, experience, education, certification, and achievement is dynamically rendered using custom plugins and slots in Oracle Apex. So I am going to start my presentations. Okay. So firstly, normally resume are static HTML pages, but in my project I created a reusable resume framework inside Oracle Apex. This means I can update data from SQL and the resume layout stays the same like a real applications. Firstly, I creating the parent resume plugin. First, I created a template component plugin name Vivo Resume plugin. I have a four plugins. I talking about a Vivo Resume plugin, and I created slots inside the Resume plugin. Slots are placeholder where other components can be attached dynamically. Okay, it is a partial options. This is a custom attribute. And this is a slots options have a multiple options like academy timeline, achievement, certifications, email, job title, LinkedIn, profile, project, skill, tools, Twitter. So academy, timeline, achievement, certification, job title, project, skills, tools have regions options and email, LinkedIn and Twitter have a button options and we want to resume a photo. So I select the supported item. So profile photo have a item page and I attach the support regions. I have a academic timeline customer plugin. So I attach dynamically and job title and skills. So these my three plugins like academic, professionals, and skills. Adding a resume plugin into the page after designing the plugin, I edit it as a region on my Apex page. This region become a parent resume container and all other sections are attached inside it. Firstly, I am going to talking about a profile section. Then I added a display item for the profile photo. Duplicate tab. So select the your resume plugin. So custom attribute. So this is a profile photo. So I also added social media buttons like LinkedIn, Twitter, email, and attach them there respectively slots in the header sections. This is a header sections. LinkedIn, Twitter button, and I talks to about me sections. The about me section is a part of the parent plugin in HTML. I use the custom attribute and style it with CSS to match a professional portfolio layout. So this is a custom attribute about and I wrote the HTML code and I wrote the CSS. I have a CSS code. So after writing a CSS code, I copy the reference. So after that, attach the file loader cascade options like that. So with the help of CSS, HTML, you build the dynamic applications. Skill section using a custom plugin. So I have a skill sections. So this is my skill circular bars. For the skill section, I used my own plugin in called skill circular bars. I wrote a SQL query that returns skill name and percentage that value are displayed as animated circular progress bars. Then I set parent reasons, resume plugin, and slot skills. Light text. So I select the multiple reports. So I write the HTML code, report row, and report body. After that, I add the custom attribute like a skill name, percentage. Percentage should be a varchar type. It's very important. With the help of HTML, CSS, and slots, we can easily to create my plugins, or this is a resume plugin sections, and this is a
And with the help of attribute session, you can write the manually about text, and manually you can write the email information, full name, job title, location information, and for informations about sections, pronoun, mobile number, and email ID.
okay. I this is a parent reason like resume plugin with the help of SQL query that return a skill name and percentage. This value are displayed as a animated circular progress bars. This is a project sections. Project section I create a multiple static content region for a project like Apna Hospital, product application, GMDC, portal requirement system, I expense dashboard. Is project block is attached to the project slot inside the resume. Okay, this is my resume. I wrote the HTML code like a project sections, tools, timeline, certification, achievement, and where I was at the attribute label like about text, academic timeline, reason, email information, full name, uh, job line, timeline, reasons, job title, location information, phone informations, and after that we build the add slots. I have a multiples name like that. It goes to a page. So this is my project content. You have a two options. It's up to your choice. You know that how to build the HTML codes. So without HTML code, you can build the project section in your resume. This is a basic uh, for 5 lines code, project section, project items. After that, you can select the parent regions and you can select the slots up to your resume requirement. So I create a page items or page items should be hidden. Okay. So layout sections have a reasons and slot options. My region name is project content. So I was selected and I have a slot options, reason body, and I have no knowledge of HTML, so you can manually uh, write here. And you have a HTML knowledge. With the help of AI, you can build the HTML, and with the help of CSS, you can make the beautiful resume. This is a job experience. Okay, this is certificates options. Okay, tools and AI platform sections like that. This is a tools and AI section platforms. I added another aesthetic content region for technologies and AI tools. This also attached to the tool slot in the resume layout. Plugins, okay, and I have a tools name like a slot tools. I select the resume, okay, and I have a work experience, job experience, work experience. So work experience, I use my custom plugin professional timeline experience. I have a multiples plugin, okay, like a professional timeline experience. So for work experience, I use my custom plugin professional timeline experience. Data is fetched using SQL and display in a vertical timeline format. This region is attached to the job timeline slots. So I was select the multiple reports. I wrote the HTML's code. Okay. And this is a custom attribute, company description, job title, location, periods, and with the help of CSS you can build it. Got it? And second steps like academic education's timeline. Okay, this is academic section education timeline. I use another plugin in called academic education to show my education history in a timeline design. This is attached to the academic timeline slots. So I have academic educations with the help of HTML, CSS. You can build the easily. This is a custom HTML degree, GPA, institute, location, period, like that. Okay, this is a project content. This is a work experience with the help of SQL query. You can easily to create the applications. Okay, and this is a academic template with the help of SQL query. You can do it. Okay, this is the academic editions. This is a certifications. Okay, certification, I use the Apex card reason type for the certifications, and with the help of SQL query provide title, subtitle, icon, and description, and Apex automatically renders it as modern cards. This is attached to the certification slots. Okay, we will resume again. I have a certificate slots. Okay, and with the help of share component, I upload this image. This is a static file app files uh, share component with the I upload the images like a Twitter PNG, LinkedIn PNG, image. This is my image PNG, icons, email icons, and this have a certification badge. Okay, after upload, we can copy the reference like that and paste here. This is a I have a appearance options. You can it's up to your choice. I have a four columns, so I selected. Okay. With the help of static applications, you can upload the images on a cart or upload the photo in your headers. So achievement using cards. Last options is achievement. I have a multiple card like the NCCB certificate, C certificate, and National Career Aptitude Test (NSS), or participate volunteer in India Oracle R user group and Oracle Apex Plus AI latest interactions with the Bharat Bhatia shares. Okay, this is Apex Innovations. And all stacking is done using custom CSS inside the plugin. I use the gradient, shadows, spacing, and modern UI styling to make the resume look like a professional web portfolio. Okay, so in conclusion, I built a dynamically modular resume system using Oracle Apex plugins, slots, SQL query, and custom HTML CSS. The structure makes the resume reusable, scalable, and easy to maintain, just like real applications. Okay. Oracle Apex is used because it allows developers to build powerful database driven web applications very quickly with minimal coding. It is a low code platform, which means you can create a professional apps using visual tools instead of writing everything from scratch. Apex is tightly integrated with the Oracle database, so it is secure, fast, and highly scalable. It automatically handles things like authentication, authorization, and session management, which reduce development times. Okay, it is also great for creating dashboard, report, form, and business application with responsive UI that work on desktop and mobile. In short, Oracle Apex helped you build a secure, scalable, and professional web application faster and with less efforts. I I have multiples buttons like a LinkedIn. This is a LinkedIn. This is my Twitter's. You want to send to me a message on email, so you can have the options email section. So thank you for watching my presentation. This project helped me deeply understand Oracle Apex plugin architecture, component slots, and UI customization. I hope you like this dynamic resume system.